in place, and then let's give it a try.
Better. I ain't been able to do that in a while.
Just let you feel it out, yeah.
Yep.
So one thing I want you to try, hold on to the back. No, you're not going to go down far, but just like kind of squat down a little tiny bit to see like how it feels like bending a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Because I know that's always a tough motion.
Oh my gosh.
Is that different?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Excuse me.
It's okay.
We love you. It's okay.
These are tears of joy. There were tears of pain 10 seconds ago, and now they're tears of joy, right?
I prayed so long.
Yeah.
So long.
Wow.
I couldn't have done that without Howard. So
Yeah.
I never would do it.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your body's pretty cool.
Yeah, exactly. Well said, well said. Let me write all that goodness down.